To ask for help and support when we need it is not a sign of weakness. It is, in fact, a sign of wisdom. Because true strength is not only in what we can carry alone, but in what we can lift together. One afternoon, Diana was walking with her father through the forest. Suddenly, they came across a large tree branch blocking the path. "Dad, if I try, do you think I could move that branch?" "I am sure you can, my dear, if you use all your strength." Diana's eyes lit up. She bent down and pushed the branch with all her might. Her little arms trembled, her face turned red with effort. But no matter how hard she tried, the branch didn't move an inch. "You were wrong, Dad. I can't move it." Her voice was filled with disappointment and her head lowered in defeat. "Try again, Diana, but this time, use all your strength." Encouraged by her father's words, she tried again. She pushed, she pulled, she struggled. Her hands ached, her body shook. But once again, the branch refused to move, frustrated, almost crying. "Dad, I cannot do it." "My dear, I told you to use all your strength, but you did not. You never asked for my help." Diana froze. She realized what her father meant. Her eyes widened, not with defeat, but with new understanding. Our real strength does not lie only in independence. It lies in interdependence. To ask for help when in need is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of wisdom, of humility, of courage. And so Diana learned that day. When we join our strength with others, we move obstacles that seem impossible alone. Remember, Diana, the strongest people are not those who do everything alone, but those who know when to reach out their hand. Strength is not in isolation. Strength is in unity, and wisdom is knowing the difference.